If you need residential or commercial plumbing done right by a company that truly cares, watch the story of Service Force Plumbing. The reviews about Service Force Plumbing on every credible review site out there are simply fantastic. Customers simply rave about the professionalism of the team, the fair and transparent pricing, the great response time, the no-pressure sales ever. They love the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Service Force Plumbing. These are good people who you can trust. They'd never sell you something you don't need.